Landon, where are we going today?
What?
What are we doing today?
First, I don't know. Maybe we're going. Maybe let's go look at the animals first. I don't know.
Animals first, Mommy?
Let's go see if the Nature Exchange is open.
Nature Exchange, Ben.
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing today, Ben?
Supply. Yeah, supply.
Where do you want to go, Ben?
Where do you want to go do?
Good.
All right, let's go.
I'm doing the supply.
Let me help you with this.
Gotta get the sunscreen on. Okay, let's go, buddy.
Let's get that supplies.
Let's go. There's the train. M. White Urus. They called us and said that he won a special surprise.
Oh. Alright, so this is gypsum, a type of rock. This is ammonite, which is a fossil. Or you can get the giant ton, which is a solution. You get one of them.
Where'd you find it?
I found them.
And what was it underneath? A tree. Can I sit with you?
Okay.
Mommy, what's a choo-choo say? Ben! Ben! What do you think, Ben?
That one over there. Really tall neck.
What do you think?